I'm Gaurav Sachdeva, one of the 11 Gauravs we have. So you can call me Sachdeva. I got selected for duel and my batch is 1B. The topic of my presentation is how to control P when Mr. Bam is speaking. And frankly speaking, friends, my source of inspiration is day before yesterday. I really had a pathetic experience. And that gave me an inspiration to do some theories, theses, to prepare some theses, to do some research work and all. You know friends, man has adapted. Man has been capable to control each and every disaster. Except the basic requirement, which all of you may have used on some point of time or the other. And especially if that some point of time is Mr. Bam's class, then you have only one question in mind. How to control P when Mr. Bam is speaking? I have various suggestions, tips and points for all of you friends so that you can utilize whenever you feel comfortable. But there's a word of caution to all of you. Please don't use these tips when I am speaking or when rest of the 179 people are speaking, because this is for Gana, mentally retarded person, and that is Mr. Bam. Frankly speaking, friends, when you are in trouble, you don't care what the hell Bam is talking about. Gulel, Bra, or whatever sir is watching train. You really want to mind your own business. You are the boss and you are the secretary. Now friends, I'm going to give you a practical demonstration and how you can control it. And this is a one in a lifetime opportunity. So I'm going to sit on that chair. So all of you guys at the last benches, please, if you can't see it, please move upwards. Friends, can you see me please? I just moved up. Can you see me? Friends, suppose you are in trouble, Mr. Bam is speaking, you can't go outside, what to do? First point, try to control it. I know, you can't do it. So first of all, move your right leg and bend it on to your left leg, just like this. Just like this. You will get somewhat relaxation. But not more than 10 seconds. Just move your right leg again onto the same position. But friend, do it very slowly. This is a complex situation and you're not here to spoil the whole thing. Now, move your left leg, move it a bit further, it should touch your thighs, force it hardly. It will give you a bit of relaxation but not more than 10 seconds. Now friends, you can use A great thing which God has given us, that is the elbow. Now what you can do, put your hand on your mouth, chin like this. Press it on your target area. Fastly. Press it onto the target area fastly and hold it there. It might relax you. Move your legs onto the same position which you are. Now, hold your legs, hold your hands like this. Bend your upper part a bit lower, like this. And see downstairs. Put your eyes, keep in mind, friends. Your eye contact must be Mr. Mom. Because you're pretending that you're listening to. You don't let him know that what's inside going on. This way. Now, after this, what you can do? Make a very pretty face so that Mr. Bam has a mercy on you. And as and when he says, what's your problem? Stand up like this. But what? If he doesn't have a mercy on you? If he ignores you? What you do, friends? You don't need to worry. I'm here. Carry on listening to my suggestions, friends. You really don't need to worry. Now, my next suggestion is just for guys. Please don't mind girls. Now you can take your mind to a different world by imagining yourself having sex with Shilpa Shetty on Mr. Bam's bedroom. So, in that way, you can take yourselves to a different world and enjoy yourself. You know, friend, you know very well that once, as and when Mr. Bam is in, you can't go outside. So what do you do? Try to let him go outside. Why? How? Offer him lots and lots of liquid. You can see, offer him lots and lots of liquid and mix it with some tablets. So that as and when he goes outside, you start off on your own mission. By that way, you can help others also who are sailing on the same boat. It's right. But if nothing happens, still. You can remind Mr. Bam that he is going to have a date with Shilpa Shetty. So move quickly, man. What you're doing here, giving presentation to 180 people, dummy. They're not going to give anything to you. But Shilpa Shetty can give something. And if you can fart easily, quickly, and terribly, then you are the person I'm looking for. Sink the whole room. Make it contagious. Let everybody go outside the room. And as and when everybody goes, you know what to do. But what if you're not good in this art? There's a suggestion for most of the guys and girls who are not good in this. Before coming here, eat at least 3 to 4 muli ka parathas so that you can have a big machine of farting. Next suggestion. If you can hypnotize, then hypnotize Mr. Bam. Take him outside and relax. Now, you can, and Mr. Bam has said that if you do something wrong, he will kick you outside. So why not do something? You're here to do outside, man. Make silly faces. Or if you can't do this, give a tight slap to a person next to you. So that he kick you outside. And my last suggestion is, if nothing goes on your way, hit Mr. Bam. But whatever apparatus, equipment you have, be it a chair, table, saddle, ande, kuch bhi ho, and let him hospitalize. Don't make him die. Because he is not insane, he is mentally retarded. And he will definitely fail you before time. So, अपना तो काम करना है ना. So after these suggestions, there are two very important precautions you can make. Number one, drink less water before coming. Number two, you can wrap a heli on your target area. It will serve you two purposes. You can concentrate to what Mr. Bam is saying, and you can enjoy your life too. As and when, whatever do, you know it, what to do. If you want some hygienically clean homemade helis, contact me after the presentation. But please dispose it whenever you use it. But guys, if things doesn't work on your way, the way you like, or you have a very terrible day, and you make suggestions, doesn't go, then may God bless you. Thank you.
You mentioned about एक पैर दूसरे ऊपर रख लो, फिर थोड़ी देर बाद दूसरा पैर इस तरफ रख लो. Does it really help clinically?
Sir, I told you that yesterday, day before yesterday, I had the same experience.
And it helped.
So I'm not bluffing here. I'm serious. Calm here.
You gave two suggestions. एक तो drink less water or no water before coming here.
Yeah.
A better explanation will be go and do it before you come here, ताकि तुम्हारा bladder खाली रहे.
But sir, there are many people, even who have to go to pee regularly. Maybe there are also somebody, maybe some people might be there. So I mean, this thing you can't control it. I mean, you can't predict it and you can't control it.
I think if you don't know how to predict it and control it, you're not grown up yet.
But sir,
the only people who can't predict it and can't control it are those bachas in boat.
Sir, can you predict it? But what will happen after 3 hours or 4 hours?
I know, I mean 4 hours, see this is a natural function.
Yeah.
And there's a periodicity inbuilt into human anatomy.
Yeah.
And there's a size of the bladder, which I know you are maybe doodh pita bacha, so you probably don't know. That it is proportional to the amount of water intake you take. You all yourself said that.
Yeah.
So, if you can't predict it, then I think you need further education. You should go back to Kaksha 6. Another point I want to ask you is, you talked about ferry.
Yeah.
You did give full data there. Either the ferry must be made of plastic, or there must be many kapde inside the ferry which will absorb the liquid. Otherwise it will drip and I will see and I will throw you out of the class. Then what will you do?
It is made up of plastic.
तो ये पता है कि तुम्हें मुझे बताना पड़ा, ये दिख रहा है कि तुमको अभी पूरा डेटा तुम्हारे पास नहीं है. Any other questions?
Any questions? Yeah.
How do you hypnotize a blind man?
He is not fully blind, he is half blind. So you can do it.
Okay, there is no more questions, then I will give you your feedback. Statement topic 10, clarifying objective 10, learners topic 10, learners objective 10, homework 6, organizational material 8, creativity 0, creating curiosity 8, confidence 8, conviction 9, panache 6, voice 7, language 7, communication 7, holding audience attention 9, slides 8, other backup 0, giving time 10, overall impact 8, filling questions 5, your total is 146. Qualitative feedback is, there were quite a few gaps of silence. I don't think it was really a prepared one. ये ad-libbing था, on the spot जो मुंह में आया वो बोला, ऐसा था क्या?
No sir.
Continuous flow नहीं आ रहा था, तो कई बार 2-3 सेकंड के लिए तुम चुप हो जाते थे. तो 2-3 सेकंड में शायद सोचते थे, but if it's इसमें अगर flow आता और
But I mean, maybe I will try to do it, but it was intentional.
it was intentional, जो बीच में gap आया.
One point I forgotten, frankly speaking, but like some point of time.
That was the main thing. The other thing is backup material other than the slides, कुछ थोड़ा skip करते and पूरा जो खुद किया वो तो ठीक है, उसके लिए तो तुमको पनाश में 8 मिल गए, लेकिन फिर मेरे 6 मिल गए, which is the highest so far. But if you had some of your classmates, do some natak, maybe creativity should be in the beginning. If you had done some natak about how to control your feet, maybe you could have got यहाँ पर तुमको creativity में 0 है, वहाँ कुछ मिल सकते. This is the qualitative feedback. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
How are the elections to the post of the President of India conducted? The objective here is to educate the young audience in view of the current presidential elections that we hear about every day for the past 2 months. For a president to enter into these doors, he has to pass through an electoral college. What is an electoral college? But we have been reading and listening about the electoral college for the past quite 2-3 months. But what is an electoral college? Electoral college consists of elected member of parliaments and MLAs of India, of the Parliament of India and the State Assembly. Mind you, here the important point is it is only the elected members that vote for the presidential election. It is there are also the nominated members and the member of legislative council that do not participate for the presidential elections. For the current presidential election, there are about 4,896 total members in the electoral college, of which the 776 are the MPs and 4,120 are the MLAs. Now, each and every MLA and MP, he has some work. Each one each MLA or MP that he puts a stamp on the vote, he is worth something, and his worth depends on from which state does he come from. Like Maharashtra, an MLA coming from Maharashtra will have a different work than an MLA coming from UP or from a smaller state. So as you can see, the value of the vote, which is for an MLA, it has a direct proportionality with the population of the state. Which means that if the population of the state is more, then his work is more. And which has an inverse proportionality with the number of MLAs, of that state. Similarly, for the member of parliament, that is for the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, the total of all the MLAs is calculated and average is taken how many MPs are there. So, it is basically an average. The vote for MP that he puts a stamp on is an average of all the MLAs. I have an example here. Supposedly the population of a particular state, for example like Maharashtra, is about 10 crores. Say there are 100 MLAs here, and value which comes out from this formula for Maharashtra is about 1,000. So you can see what is the worth of a Maharashtra MLA. Similarly, say we add up for all the states and it comes out to be 42,000. And say there are total number of MPs, that is in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, there are 420 MPs, which they are all 420s. They are all 420s. So their value comes out to be 100. Next one. Of course, the voting is by secret ballot. Nobody knows who has voted for whom. One of the important points here is that the election is based on single transferable vote. This is a very important phenomenon. It doesn't happen everywhere, every time. It had happened during the V.V. Giri's presidential election that this phenomena was taken practice into. What is this phenomena? Listen to it very carefully because you might not know about it or you may not be able to know about it for the next so many presidential elections because this doesn't happen always. Which is in case of it happens in case of multiple candidates that the voter lists them in order of their preference. That is, the votes of person getting the lowest votes are transferred as per his preference. Now I'll explain this. What does this mean? Say supposedly there are 3 candidates who are in the race for the presidential election. So हर एक बंदे के पास एक पर्चा दिया जाता है. हर एक वोटर जो वोट कर रहा है एमपी और एमएलए जो वोट कर रहा है उसको एक पर्चा दिया जाता है. 3 लोग सपोजिटली खड़े हो रहे हैं तो हर एक एमपी और एमएलए जो है वो उसको अपनी प्रेफरेंस वाइज रैंकिंग कर देता है. रैंकिंग मींस 1, 2 and 3. व्हाट इज दिस रैंकिंग? Now this is an example that I'm taking. Supposedly we have to select, we are 180 people and we have to select one of the candidates for the presidential election. And the 3 candidates are say Mr. Abdul Kalam, Dilip Bam and me. Supposedly say there is a tie between Mr. Dilip Bam and Mr. Abdul Kalam and I get 40 votes. So the person who gets lowest votes, mind you the lowest votes, his second preference is taken. That is, here the 40 votes that have been put, those 40 have 3 preferences in their rank. The second preference is then considered. And supposedly say in this case, Mr. Dilip Bam gets all the 40, so he wins the election. Congratulations, you are the president of the most vibrant democracy of the world, that is India. How the impeachment of the president takes place. Impeachment for the president of India is virtually impossible. And there is only one case. In which the president of India can be removed out of the office. And mind you, it is not known as removal. For president, it is always impeachment. And which is the violation of Constitution of India. It is the only case how a president of India can be removed. So what happens in this is, say one of the houses, say Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha, say Lok Sabha starts a proceeding for removal of president. They have to give a 14-day notice to the president and it should be signed by not less than 1/4 of the total strength of the Lok Sabha. The other house, that is the second, the Rajya Sabha, which then acts as the investigating house. It investigates the charges that the Lok Sabha has rightly, why have they initiated this impeachment procedure. And mind you, here also, why it makes it so difficult for the President of India to be removed is that it requires highest majority for him to be removed. That is, you need two-third votes in favor of impeachment of the total membership of the house, of each house. Then only the President of India can be removed. Also, for each presidential election, there is a threshold or a quota level that each president has to pass. That is, there are about 4,896 total votes that total MP MLA votes that will be put on. So the quota that Mr. Abdul Kalam has to pass for tomorrow's counting is 2,449. That is, it is half plus 1. He has to pass that limit. Only then will he be able to become president. Otherwise, it becomes a single transferable vote. That is, the second preference is taken care of. And that's my choice. And I hope you all will be able to better understand the presidential election tomorrow when the result is announced. Thank you.
What is the logic behind the third candidate between APJ, myself and you?
Sir.
If you are the last, then you can transfer all your votes to either one of the candidates.
No, sir, it is not either one of the candidates.
Yes.
I said each and every voter who votes, like there are 4,896
Yes.
MPs and MLAs,
Yes.
each one will be given a slip.
Yes.
Har ek bande ko slip.
First, second, third person देगा.
He'll rank all the three of us in 1 to 3.
1 to 3.
So supposingly you and Abdul Kalam has a tie.
Yeah.
Alright. So I am the lowest person and I have got the lowest number of votes.
Yeah.
So my 40 votes, my slips would be taken out and my second preference would be considered then.
You mean those who voted for you, their second preference?
Their second preference would be taken. This is to ensure that.
That is the ballot papers are counted. It's not that तुमको 40 votes मिले तो तुम तुम्हारी जो टीम आएगा.
No, it is not. And also there is a quota system, which is the threshold limit. It is half plus 1 vote. You have to actually note that you get 70, the other person gets 60, and it is not that. You have to have half plus 1 vote to get.
So supposing there are 3 candidates.
Yes, sir.
And one person gets 40, another gets 35, and the third gets 25.
Sir,
Then what happens?
so the lowest one, whenever the lowest one, the second preference is taken.
I see.
And then it is added, and then again it is a cycle. Then again it is seen whether he has crossed the threshold limit or not.
And
if he
if
has
not-
crossed the threshold limit, then only he will become the president.
Supposing it does not cross the threshold, then what happens?
Then the third cycle, then third cycle, fourth cycle, and it will go on. It will go on until he becomes the president. It is to ensure that whoever is becoming the president of India has full backup majority of the people of country.
Okay. How does our presidential election differ from, let's say, no, not our, how does the US presidential election differ from French presidential election?
I'm sorry, I'm not able to quite explain.
How does ours differ from the US model?
So our president is a nominal head. He is not directly elected by the people of India. This is to ensure that there is no clash of titans between the Prime Minister who actually heads the country and the President of India, because he is the nominal head. So it's basically it is the Prime Minister who elects the President. And in case of President of USA, he has all the powers. He is directly elected by the people of India. Although there is electoral college there too, which elects the President of the United States.
How is that electoral college formed? अब यहाँ का तो बता दिया MPs, MLAs वगैरह. All elected representatives are part of the electoral college here.
Sir.
How is the electoral college defined in US?
I'm sorry, I am not able to.
Actually, genuinely, I don't know and I want to know. Because there is electoral college in US.
Yes.
Whereas in France, there is no electoral college. It's one man, one vote.
Yes, sir.
Total mathematics.
Yes.
There is no intermediary like that. I am one of the greatest advocates of presidential form of government for our country.
Sir.
Would you prefer, now I've told you, in US there is electoral college and in France there is no electoral college.
Sir.
So if you were to adopt a presidential form of government here in Hindustan,
Sir.
would you prefer the French model or the US model?
Sir, I don't know the French model.
The French model is like one man vote. जैसे आप अपना एमएलए चुनते हैं,
Sir.
जिसके सबसे ज्यादा वोट आते हैं वो जीत जाता है.
Sir.
वैसे ही फ्रांस में
Sir.
वोटर और जो कैंडिडेट है उसके बीच में इलेक्टोरल कॉलेज वाली जो चीजें जो हिंदुस्तान में है और अमेरिका में है, वो फ्रांस में इलेक्टोरल कॉलेज नाम की चीजें टोटल वोट गिने जाते हैं, प्योर नंबर, ये सिस्टम में फर्क है। तो हम अगर हिंदुस्तान में प्रेसिडेंशियल फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट लाना चाहें तो यूएस मॉडल यूज, तुम्हारे हिसाब से यूएस मॉडल ज्यादा उचित रहेगा या फ्रेंच मॉडल?
So I think the French model, because he is being directly elected, and in the US he is indirectly elected, although he has the backing of the people.
Okay, any other questions? If there is no question, just give me some time. Then homework, then organization will 8, creativity 2, curiosity 4, confidence 7, conviction 7, panache 0, voice 7, language 8, communication 9, holding audience attention 8, slide 6, other backup 0, keeping time -10, you spoke for only 6 minutes and 40 seconds, overall impact 8, reading question 7, your total is 121. Data-wise, your data is perfect. There's no doubt about that. I wish you could have taken, also put some humor into it. Give a line saying, अगर ऐसे हो जाता तो ऐसा हो जाता तो क्या मतलब, bring to a very funny conclusion or impossible conclusion or a paradoxical conclusion and put some humor into it. This is pure mathematics. So mathematically, in the first five parameters of evaluation, you are getting 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 because 2 plus 2 equal to 4. It's all mathematical. उसमें तो कोई गलती नहीं है. But bonding with the audience, you are transmitting pure data. When you are transmitting pure data, you are not bonding with the audience. इसमें गलत नहीं है, लेकिन bonding के लिए बीच में थोड़ा बहुत अगर ह्यूमर डाल सको, तो काफी तगड़ा bonding हो जाता है. देखो, सवाल सिर्फ मैंने पूछे, प्रेसिडेंट का इलेक्शन यहाँ हिंदुस्तान में काफी बड़ी चीज है, लेकिन इतनी बड़ी चीज तुम बोल रहे हैं किसी ने सवाल ही नहीं पूछे. That means there is no bonding. So कुछ बीच में ह्यूमर डाल देते तो bonding होगा. That is my main qualitative feedback. Thank you.
Sharma, and I am from HR and PM side. So, sir can start the stopwatch. So, I am going to present the scene of a station.
यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दीजिए। जम्मू तवी से चलकर पुणे की ओर जाने वाली 1078 झेलम एक्सप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 3 से ठीक 10:36 पर जाने के लिए तैयार है। सब यात्रियों से ये निवेदन है कि वो अपनी अपनी सीट पर जाकर बैठ जाएं और आपकी यात्रा सुखद, मंगलमय और सफल हो, यही हम कामना करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
What do you think that I was doing there at the reservation chart? So I was not looking at my reservation. I just had my luggage and just looked out for the number of females there and their age, so that I can have fun in the train. So everybody does that, every boy. So the topic which I had selected today is the best time pass in the train, applicable for boys. So this is the topic. So what every boy do? He just took his luggage he comes from his home and just look out the reservation chart. Afterwards, he just look out the number of females and their age. Then he just didn't stop here, and what he did, he just went and hunted for the girls. So he wanted a perfect man. Or he asked for a very good tota. After that, by any means, he went to the TT and accommodated his seat. So, accommodation, which is the main factor, he just accommodated himself where he can get a perfect view and a very good look, and he can stare at the girl, and anything he can do, which he wants afterwards. So, accommodation by any means he can manage. So after accommodating himself, he just don't look at the girl. He want to impress the girl, but he don't want to look at the girl at that time. Because first step, he goes step by step. He just don't want to, he is very patient because the journey is long. So we first go to the parents of the girl and just try to be friendly with them. He starts talking to them, he tells everything about him, he asks them about what are the things they like, they dislike. He keeps on talking. So at this time he is not looking at the girl. So he is very patient. As the first impression is the last impression, छा जाओ, सभी पे छा जाओ, किसी भी तरह छाओ, कोई भी बात करो, लेकिन तुम्हें छाना है. So what his spirits are at the height. He is not going to confuse at all. He is very patient. So afterwards, he just look patiently and just look out for the perfect time when his parents or the girl parents just are going to sleep. यार बुढ़े हैं, कभी तो सोएंगे, तुम आराम से वेट करोगे तो आराम से चलेगा सब कुछ. Then in the night, he just adjusted himself so that he can have a view, very good view. So afterwards, when the parents are asleep, he starts talking to the girl. लेकिन इसमें जूतों का भी खतरा है, ध्यान से. खतरा, जितना बड़ा खतरा उतना बड़ा माल. So उसके बाद you need to impress the girl. You impress the girl. So there are the tips which I will tell you later. So please look at the text. So I will explain each and every tip. So what you need to do after you have impressed the girl, so talk to her, tell her ask her what are her hobbies, tell her that I am having the same hobbies. So just try to be friendly with her. When you make her a friend. So after that you can take her to anywhere. In the night you can take her to, the places you can take her to. In the train itself, there are a lot of places. You can take her to the door also. No, not for throwing at all. You can take her near the bathroom, there are a lot of space. You all are from distant places. You need to travel a lot now. You are in Pune and maximum strength is from north only. I think so. So you need to travel now, and that too from Jhelum Express. I assure you that I came by Jhelum Express and it has a lot of totas over there. Not only from Sims, from each and every place and each side, because Pune is a mini Oxford. So afterwards, just start looking at her. Just stare at her. If she smiles, as all the girls know, अगर कुड़ी हंसी तो हंसी, so अगर हंसी तो हंसी. This is the basic funda. So girls, don't give the boy smile at a very first glance. So you need to be very careful. So you also need to make your time pass, okay? He is just passing the time now. So you also just pass your time. Don't indulge in other activities. You will have fun, I assure you. So in the night, what a guy will do, he will not sleep. He will show that I am very restless, I am getting jerks, I don't like the train journey at all. So he will show. And I think the girl is also not going to sleep when she is going to look at the boy with such activities. So what happens if, as told by our sir, that this span of time, so you keep staring, make eye contact, do some actions, not vulgar at all, because right now she is your friend. So just do what you like to, just try to impress her. After impressing, you can do anything, anytime. So, what happens? But be sure that you have to take care of our parents. They don't wake up. You need to do it in the night only. You see? So, this is the truth. So, it will make your journey very funny. You will enjoy it. So, in the end, you will ask for whatever. So, you ask for her address, whatever. If she gives, then it's good. If she doesn't give, it's also good. Because you were just passing your time. So same thing was with the girl. So no need to be worried. Just wait for your next trip. So you will definitely one day, because now you are going to travel, you are going to the executives, you are going to travel. So you are going to, one day you will get a girl, and she may be very impressive, and you may do whatever you like. But still the thing is, इस काम में जुतियां बहुत पड़ती हैं. Has anybody experienced it? Anybody from the audience? Nobody? My friend experienced it actually. What? No. Not at all. I will try. तो क्या हुआ अगर जुतियां पड़ी तो पड़ी, लेकिन फिर भी माल तो मिलेगा ना. If not, still there is always, this life is what you think. दुनिया उम्मीद पे टिकी है, तुम भी टिके रहो. Be patient. One day you are going to get whatever. So in the end, just take care. And in the end, what happened? Just you get out of the train, you have reached Pune, and there is an announcement. यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें, जम्मू तवी से चल के पुणे कैंट को आने वाली गाड़ी संख्या 1078 अपने निर्धारित समय से 6 घंटे की देरी से आई है. यात्रियों को हुई असुविधा के लिए हमें खेद है. For the kind attention of the passenger, train number 1078 Jhelum Express has arrived on platform number 3 and is late by 6 hours. So the inconvenience caused is deeply regretful. Thank you.
Why do you say that? I think going to the TD and trying to get a seat near her is not so good. Rather than when you see her seat number, then you go and sit on that seat. Then she will come. Then picture में दिखा तो पहले झगड़ा फिर क्या? That is a better way. Because she will talk first. हटो यहाँ से.
So still you need, afterwards you need that you should be near to her.
And then after that you TD को बोल दो कि साहब मेरी सीट वहाँ पर है, मैं यहाँ बैठ गया तो जो जिसकी सीट है उसको वहाँ बैठा दीजिए.
Make your arrangement first. Afterwards, what you can do, you can, if you have seat near her, you can still be there on her seat.
Yeah, but then you have to open a discussion. How do you? फिर आगे बनाने की जरूरत नहीं ना. पहले डायलॉग ही चालू हो गया. उसने डायलॉग शुरू किया. हटो यहाँ से चल के. That is a better advantage I think. Then you can immediately हटो. वो फिर समझेंगे कि आप कितना शालीन बच्चा है. मैंने कहते ही हट गया. Then you will realize I think that is a better way. Rather than going to तीसरी पार्टी को क्यों इन्वॉल्व करना?
Okay.
I think so. करके देखना अगली बार. क्योंकि ये भी हो सकता है कि सीट बदलने के लिए पैसे मांगे. तो पैसे भी बचेंगे या तो अपने आप हो जाएंगे.
So by any means you have to get the seat.
Okay.
If you want your journey to be pleasurous, you need to do that.
Any other questions? Yeah, please.
Hear me? So now, like, you managed to get a seat near this good-looking gorgeous female.
Louder.
This Tota, you got the seat near this Tota, okay? and suddenly you get all this eye contact, body language going for you, and everything is fine, and she gets up, suddenly she gets up. She gets up and she looks at you like this, and फिर कुछ लगता है कि okay पता नहीं, and she starts going towards the loo, toilet की तरफ जाती है, and you also follow her, okay, and you both of you are there at the moment, and suddenly she gets into the loo. What do you do? And you realize that she wanted to go to the loo, and
So I will go to the other side.
Okay. Feedback. Statement topic 8, clarifying objective 9, relevance to topic 9, relevance to objective 10, homework 8, organizational material 6, creativity 5, creating curiosity 2, confidence 7, conviction 9, panache 4, voice 8, language 6, communication 7, holding audience attention 7, slides 2, other backup 0, keeping time 5, overall impact 6, reading questions 8, your total is 126. Qualitative feedback. Your presentation is very repetitive. एक ही तुम्हारे पास एक ही मुद्दा है, इसमें तो खींच के तो 10 मिनट ले गए. Actually इस presentation में 2 मिनट से ज़्यादा का मटेरियल है नहीं. Step by step अप्रोच अगर तुम लेते, step by step, you give steps, then you indulge in body language, and then you मुस्कुराओ, this that, 10 दफे तो मुस्कुराने की बात करी, 10 दफे हिले डुलने की बात करी. Step by step लो, पहले हाथ बढ़ाइए, फिर आगे बढ़ जाइए, बढ़ के हाथ मिलाइए, अपना नाम बताइए, and so on and so forth. ऐसे step by step करो तो can you fill up material for 12 minutes? यहाँ पे वही बात बार दोहराते रहते हैं. So there was lack of content. Also you need to improve your English. So third is slides very few. कम नहीं था, जो थे उसमें text था, सिर्फ no photos. That's the feedback. Idea was very good. The positive part of it is that you began. शुरू में मैं बहुत impressed हुआ. I didn't get it. Observation चाहिए ना?
Sir.
So the number नहीं दिया. Sorry.
Sir, one slide more I want to show. I just skipped it. Sir, 1 minute.
Your total is now 130. इस slide के number नहीं मिलेंगे क्योंकि लेकिन मैं देखना चाहता हूँ. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your time begins now.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As far as my introduction is concerned, I am Dinkar Devgan from Mumbai, enrolled into SIMS, PM and HR. And my background is like, I have had some shocking experiences before completing my electrical engineering from Sardar Pati College of Engineering, Andheri, Mumbai. And the topic of today is office. Well, just a question before I begin. How many of you guys are carrying driving licenses in your pocket? Raise your hands. And now, only those people will keep their hands up who have got it made in less than rupees 50. I said less than rupees 50, that is without joining a driving school also. Because even driving school you got that. Yes, we do have fewer number of hands, right? As you can see. Yes, this is what I'll be speaking on, bride. But in bride, I'll be majorly concentrating on how to offer bride, what are the kinds of brides that are offered, and different ways of offering bride. And we have the next slide. Alright, let's have a look at the affected areas. The government offices, the affected areas. The offices are RTO, the passport office, the corporation office, the MSED, telephone office, government banks, we have the customs department, the income tax department, and believe me, the latest one I have heard is Sharab Churane ka Daftar. Yes, even to quit alcohol or to quit liquor, the government run institutions there you have to pay bribe. Trust me, it is a fact. Alright, now bribe basically can be given in various forms. The different forms of offering bribe is actually you can either give hard cash, which most of us definitely think on, bank on, but believe me, you can even give expensive gifts to the kids of the officer in whom you are interested in getting your job done. And trust me, getting your job done from a government office is not that all easy. It will not only burn a hole in your pocket, but nowadays it will burn your entire pocket. The third approach we have in offering bribes will be just pleasing Bhabhi ji, doing the household work of Bhabhi ji. Bhabhi ji, sabzi le aao. Bhabhi ji, आपका कुछ मार्केट का काम है तो मैं उसी तरफ जा रहा हूँ, मैं जाके ले आता हूँ. This is the third kind. And definitely I do have one more type, but that I will be discussing in the end. Can we have the next slide? Yeah. Since I belong to the state of Punjab, people do not look in for money there. They have something special which they thrive on, and that is a carton of liquor. Liquor is one thing which definitely is the easiest form of giving bribe, and it can be given often also. That means you can pay a visit to their houses and definitely give them whatever they wish to and get your job done easily. Now, there are different ways of giving bribe, and that I would like to just demonstrate it in front of you. Please give me a few moments. I will be back with you. I don't think people at the back might be able to see it, but I'm sorry for the inconvenience caused. Space constraint. All right.
कैसे आना हुआ?
सर वो थोड़े से मार्कशीट का चक्कर था, वो रिजल्ट नहीं आया, मार्कशीट में डिग्री नहीं आई, एडमिशन हो गई किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में, अब भाग रहे सर वो.
क्या करें, टाइम लगता है. तुम्हें तो मालूम ही है ना, डिग्री में टाइम लगता ही है.
हाँ सर मालूम तो है, पर सर ये आपका कैसे क्या थे?
मेरा नहीं है.
सर आपका
ठीक है.
सर आपका नोट है सर.
ठीक है, तुम कहते हो.
सर मेरे मार्कशीट का क्या हुआ सर?
हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा.
सर मैं नंबर 1 2 3 4.
ठीक है, हो जाएगा.
Thank you, sir. Alright, this was the first form which goes on in the university. Even to acquire a mark sheet, you have to pay bribe, and trust me, I have done that. The second one. We have the municipal corporation office. Just look at the way he pays the bribe.
राम सिंह, एक दो नीचा का रजिस्टर लेके आना.
लाया साहब. लीजिए सर.
ठीक है, रजिस्टर खाली है.
सब 1 मिनट में आता हूँ. साहब ये फाइल किसकी है साहब?
नेक्स्ट फाइल लेकर आओ.
साहब इसको कर दीजिए ना साहब.
बाद में आते हैं.
ठीक है साहब. साहब ये दूसरी फाइल है, ये पूरी तरह से कंप्लीट है जैसे आप चाहते थे. सब साइन कर दीजिए.
ठीक है, ठीक है, करते हैं.
अच्छा साहब एक्चुअली क्या है साहब, ये अपने भाई जैसे साहब थोड़ा
बाद में लेके आओ.
नहीं साहब आप कर देंगे तो उसका काम हो जाएगा साहब.
ठीक है, फाइल कंप्लीट करके लेके आओ, बाद में लेके आओ.
साहब ये फाइल मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, मैं कंप्लीट कर दूंगा सर.
ये चाय के बाद लेकर आओ.
नहीं साहब कंप्लीट कर दूंगा, बोल तो रहा हूँ मैं.
चाय पी के आ जाओ अभी थोड़ी देर बाद.
ठीक है साहब, आप बोल रहे तो मैं चाय पी के आ जाता हूँ साहब. Due to space constraint, he's the chai wala out there, and he's a sophisticated chai wala. अरे भाई तो चाय देना, एक चाय देना.
वो भी चाहिए होगी बस.
और कुछ तो मिलेगा नहीं अभी, तो चाय पिला दे यार.
किस काम से हो यहाँ पे?
वो जो अपने चौहान साहब हैं
अच्छा अच्छा।
उनसे थोड़ा काम करवाना था कॉर्पोरेशन का रजिस्ट्रेशन का।
Why don't you go take use this mic so that people can hear?
थैंक यू।
और की कहो दसो?
यार वो जो अपने चौहान साहब हैं उनसे रजिस्ट्रेशन का काम कराना था यार।
अच्छा अच्छा कोई नहीं, चाह दी पियो। हेलो।
भाई चाय तो तेरी बड़ी स्वाद है यार, पहली बार देखा किसी सरदार के हाथ से इतनी अच्छी चाय पीते बनते हुए।
फिर आओगे?
हाँ भाई बोलो चाय का कितना हुआ?
1,003 रुपए।
भाई ये चाय के 3 रुपए सुने थे, ये 1,003 रुपए। भाई साहब तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
और छठो नाम ऐसे गाले है कि एक ही जाने तो आंसर हमने 3 रुपए का दे।
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, काम तो कराना है। अच्छा भाई ये ले लो और 3 रुपए मैं देता हूँ जरा, 3 रुपए इसमें से काट लेना।
आप 3 रुपए वैसे
और कर लो यार, एडजस्ट कर लो थोड़ा। ठीक है साहब जी। And the next we have is a government bank.
कैसे हो?
अरे आइए आइए, कैसे हैं आप? बड़े लोग बात ले।
थैंक यू सर।
किसकी thank you?
लोन सैंक्शन करा दिया।
अरे ये तो हमारा फर्ज है सर। आप क्या बैठिए।
यार आधे लोगों को माइक्स सुना नहीं दे रहा।
Sir, we don't have the second cordless mic around here, and this mic is highly enhanced.
अरे
One mic is
अरे
not-
सर, ये देशमुख साहब ने कुछ भिजवाया है।
क्या है?
सर,
ओहो,
बनवाना है।
सर घबराने की जरूरत, चलो आप चलिए ठीक है।
और कोई सेवा?
Use the mics and speak loud. I can't hear.
और कोई सेवा?
कुछ नहीं यार, भगवान की माया, कहीं तो कहीं छाया ही छाया।
एकदम
आप
सही,
सुनाइए।
आप एकदम सही बोल रहे हैं।
चलिए नमस्कार।
नमस्कार, धन्यवाद सर।
और कुछ हो तो बताएं।
Yes, and the last but not the least, in electricity office.
जी आप
नमस्ते सर।
आप
सर वो फाइल लेके आया था मैंने सर, फाइल सबमिट की थी यहाँ पे सर।
कौन सी फाइल, किस फाइल की बारे में बात कर रहे हैं आप? कहाँ से आए आप?
सर मैं यहाँ पे रहता हूँ पुणे में, कोथ रोड में, पॉड रोड पे सर।
क्या
और
काम है? काम तो बताओ। फाइल की बात करो, काम तो बताओ।
सर एक्चुअली क्या है ना सर, मैंने नया घर लिया है वहाँ पे सर, गाड़ी पाटिल ज्वेलर्स के पास में ही।
तो हम क्या करें?
सर वो ट्रांसफर कराना था सर, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल अपने नाम पे सर।
पुराना बिल लाइए, बाहर क्लर्क बैठा होगा, उससे जाकर बात करिए, फिर हमारे पास आइए। क्या बात कर रहे हैं? ये तो आप चले गए अंदर।
सर ऐसी बात नहीं है सर, आपने बोला था परसों कि मैं फाइल कंप्लीट कर देती हूँ, मैंने फाइल सबमिट कर दी थी सर।
परसों ध्यान नहीं आ रहा भाई साहब, क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
सर नहीं सर, मैं परसों आया था सर, आपको याद होगा सर, मैं बैठा सर। सर वो याद होगा सर आपको, मैं परसों 1:15 बजे आया था, आपने बोला था लंच के बाद आइए, फिर आपने बोला था चाय के बाद आइए, फिर फाइल ले ली थी आपने।
आए थे क्या चाय के बाद?
सर चाय के बाद,
कट गई।
सर चाय के बाद मैं इन्हें देके गया था सर।
मुझे तो नहीं दिया था।
ये देखिए, ये मेरे ऑफिस के बाहर बैठता है, यही कह रहा आपने किया, तो आप कहाँ किसको लेके आए?
ये हद हो गई है, मैं फाइल लेके आया हूँ और आप मैं बोल रहे कि फाइल ही नहीं लेके आया।
चिल्ला क्यों रहे हैं भाई साहब? काम करवाना है ना।
बैठो सर, बैठो। समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
ये तो शरीफ आदमी है मेरे सामने, वरना
आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, साहब आपसे घूस मांग रहे हैं।
क्या हल्का बोलो यार। बाहर जनता बैठी होगी, क्या बात कर रहे हो?
इनका रेट है 500 रुपया। 500 रुपया रखो, काम करो। समझ में आया?
अजीब है ये दुनिया, बिजली के दफ्तर में जाओ तब घूस खिलाना पड़ता है, बिल बैंक में जाओ लोन सेक्शन कराओ तब घूस खिलाना पड़ता है। आखिर कब तक चलेगा ये? क्या इस बीमारी का कोई हल है? क्या हम सिर्फ यहाँ पर डिग्रियां लेने आए हैं? क्या हमारा समाज के प्रति कोई उत्तरदायित्व नहीं है? मैं वो ढूंढ रहा था, सच बता रहा हूँ। Yes, this is what I sincerely from the heart want you to ponder. This is my request to you. Please stop all this. This is going to lead the country nowhere. Yes, definitely we are looking towards a better society. This is one aspect we have to remove. But before I leave, I have a gift for Professor Baum. Sir, do you mind me coming over there?
Not at all.
Alright, sir. I'm giving him something which I was speaking of. I'll let you know in the end. And trust me, this sweet will not harm Professor Baum in any manner. In fact, it will only increase the blood flow. So you can have a look at it. And you will come to know the contents only after he allows me the marks. Trust me.
पहले देखूंगा तब मैं मार दूंगा। खाली एक दाम रखा हुआ तो
नहीं सर, मैं यहीं कर रहा हूँ, आप खोल के देख लीजिए।
जानवर का प्राइस
नहीं सर, जानवर नहीं है, वरना वो आप ऐसे रखते तो
हमारा क्या होगा?
बस सारे फोटो स्टैंड है, कोई बात नहीं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। एनी क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम योर बिहाफ? I would, before winding up, sir, I would sincerely like to thank all my colleagues who have extended their cooperation in making this small presentation a success. That's Keshav. This is Balaji. He's promised me not to give my money back, but I'll try to get it out of him. He's Rohit, you might be aware. He's just been saying. And here's Lalit. Thank you very much, all of you.
You said in the end that we must change this. We must, यहाँ से MBA करनी है, समाज को बदल डालूंगा एक चीज। Is that what you said?
Definitely yes.
ये कोई अल्लाह का चिराग है, साला 1000 साल से होता आ रहा है, एक अल्लाह का चिराग खींचोगे तो करप्शन फटाक से गायब हो जाएगा।
सर लेकिन शुरुआत कहीं से तो
कहाँ से करोगे?